Volcano fried rice. Add a small amount of eggs to the milk. Add a small amount of salt and mix well. Slice pork belly for later use. Heat up oil and stir-fry spicy cabbage. Put a spicy cabbage aside. Then stir-fry the pork belly until it burns and fragrant. Add white rice and Korean spicy sauce and mix well. Add charming scallion flowers and mix well. Then put them into a bowl for styling. Brush a layer of oil on a clay pot and add the rest to it. Add that mixture along the edge of the sand pot and cook slowly over low heat. Sprinkle with sesame and seaweed. The internet celebrity volcano rice is finished.